this is the traditional system, and you should really go some a perfect guru, perfect teacher. Like our family, we are doing this Vedic system from 31 generation. My father, I learned from my father, I learned from my grandfather, my father learned from his father, my grandfather learned from his father. So it's a traditional way we go to learn these things. And it go from father to child, father to child. So this is very long process for learning astrology. But if you can find out a good traditional teacher who have the family background for astrology, not just for thinking about making money, that's it, or only want money, money, money. These people are not a astrologer, they just want to make just money. So you should go some traditional teacher who have some family background and learn there. You can learn basic in 1 month, but if you want to do, some students are coming to me, they're learning from last 10 years. So every time you have to learn something different things. Vedic system, the chart is different from the Western system, because usually this is like a 23-degree different. Point is fixed where we start. In the Western system, the point is not fixed. They say this is moving to the more further from the fixed point. So our point are fixed in the zodiac, but Western system the point are not fixed. And this movable, the points give the 23-degree different in each planet. Like suppose maybe you are Aries in the Indian system, so you will be Taurus in the Western system, something like that. Like suppose in the Western system they take the personality like with the sun. Like you are Aries, your personality like that. If you are Taurus, your personality like that. You Gemini, personality like that. We use moon sign because sun sign live in a sign sun 1 month. In 1 month many people will born. We go with the moon sign. In moon sign only in 2 days or 2.5 days. So in 2.5 days very less people will born. In nakshatra also we can go catch the personality in the second also, in the minute also. So we can be more precise for the personality to catch the people. When a child born, the mother father go to the priest or astrologer. They ask what is in his horoscope, what he had to study. He have some physical problem. If we have some negative planet, what remedies we can do before we give his name. When we give the name, according to astrological way, every sign have different kind of letters. Suppose you have a Virgo sign, so we have P. P is the Virgo. So we go astrologer, we ask what is the suitable name for this child. Then we go. We started from the beginning. Then when you go study what subject good for him. When you going to marry, we match the horoscope for girl and boy, because without horoscope we cannot know how the girls behave, because we do arranged marriages. So by the astrological way we can say what horoscope is matching. If the horoscope is matching perfectly, then we can say okay, married. My family, I married, I never saw my wife before my marriage. I saw first day in the first night to my wife. But we matching the horoscope, perfect matching. I'm married from last 20 years, perfect marriage, no any problem. Because the matching horoscope. Because energy can match, everything will match. We make mistake, we don't match the horoscope when we go for marriage. Relationship, love relationship is different thing. But when you want to get married, you should be fixed, you should be see how the energy is working. Because relationship is different thing than marriage. Marriage you should do lots of devotion and compromises. Relationship, no compromises. So this is you have to match the horoscope. Even when we do some ceremony in the home, we see also the moon position. Suppose we have ceremony for after the child born in the home. When we conceive the baby, what kind of child you want? You want engineer, you want doctor, you want this. So we can go to the astrologer, we can ask what is a good date for conceive the baby. So this you can conceive the right baby for that time. So every time we need astrology. This is like that.